In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Word language to English. If your Word menus, buttons, or interface are showing in another language, don't worry. This is usually very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can switch everything back to English without confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Word and look at the top left corner of the screen. Click the File tab. This is the first option in the upper left area, and it opens the main menu where Word settings and account options are stored. Once that menu opens, look down toward the bottom left side and click Options. In most versions of Word, this is one of the last choices in the list. Clicking it will open a separate settings window where you can control how Word looks and behaves. Inside that pop-up window, find the Language tab in the menu on the left-hand side. It is generally around the fifth option down, although the exact position can vary slightly depending on your version of Word. Click Language to open the language settings. Now look for the section labeled Office Display Language. This section controls the language used for Word's menus, ribbons, and overall interface. If English is already listed there, click on English to highlight it, and then click Set as Preferred, which is usually found on the right side of the window. This tells Word to use English as the main display language going forward. If English is not listed, you'll need to add it first. Click Add a Language, then choose English from the available options. Word may need to install the language pack, so give it a moment if prompted. After English appears in the list, select it and set it as preferred. When you're done, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. This confirms the new language setting. One important thing to remember is that the language usually won't update immediately while Word is still open. You need to completely close Microsoft Word and then open it again. After restarting, the interface should appear in English. If you're using Word on a Mac, the process is a little different. Word on Mac OS typically follows your computer's system-wide language instead of having a separate display language setting inside the app. In that case, you'll need to go into your Mac's system settings and change the Mac OS language to English. That's it. Once Word restarts, you should be able to use the program in English and navigate the menus much more easily.